Hey guys, so let's make some okonghobong. I have some dried snails, meat, dried fish. I'll be adding some salt, some seasoning cubes. I've had this video for quite a long time and I just forgot to post it. So I'm doing it now, and I'm just putting in 1 habanero pepper, some chopped or diced onion, adding in my water and cover the pot and allow it to cook. Here I have some chopped onion, garlic, ginger, egusi, that's melon seed, and some dried prawns or crayfish. So I'm just going to pour all of them into this blender and blend them into a paste. If you're watching up to this moment, please can you tell me where you're watching from, and can you just follow me? Just click the follow button and follow me. Thank you. So I'm putting in the egusi paste into the meats. Just stir everything, and I'll be adding in some bush pepper, just like a teaspoon of bush pepper. Cover and let it cook. So this is my vegetable already washed. It was actually dried and I just had to, cook it again. And so that one is done, and my egusi is ready. You see the water in it has dried down, so it is ready. And next thing, I'll be putting in my vegetable oil, some crayfish, some onion, and next I'll be putting in the vegetable. Just put them gradually and mix, and make sure it is well, mixed into the egusi. So this is basically all about the food. It's so easy to cook, and I promise you, if you haven't tasted this food, then you are missing, because it's so delicious. I'm just putting the last batch, mix it again. Guys, if you're not following my page, please just click the follow button, comment where you're watching from. Let me just give you a shout out, and please share the video. Thank you. Vegetable is ready. You can enjoy this with some boiled plantain, yam, cocoyam, dodo, gari, fufu, miyondo, bobolo. It just depends on what you want to eat this vegetable with. Thank you all for watching up to this moment, and please, if you haven't followed my channel or you haven't followed me on Facebook, please just click the follow button. See you in my next video. Bye.